The government approved nearly $7 million to fund the special battalion of 750 soldiers expected to be deployed in DR Congo. The extraordinary budget was approved upon the request of Defense Minister Angelina Tini during the Council of Ministers meeting on Friday. The battalion are reportedly training in an undisclosed location before joining their counterparts in the challenging operation inside a territory plagued by dozens of rebel groups. Information Minister Michael Makuei-Lueth said the cabinet has directed the Minister of Finance and planning to release the special budget for the forces. We listened to a presentation from the Minister of Defense Angelina Tini, and hers was a request for the approval of funds, he said during a media briefing after the meeting. The amount which she requested was $6,689,500 to cover for these forces so that they can perform their functions and duties. So she presented a budget to the cabinet for approval, and there is no way we can avoid taking part in it because we were given a battalion to cover our borders, said Makuei. In June, the heads of East African countries resolved to deploy joint regional military force to the restive provinces of North Kivu and Ituri of DR Congo. The combined forces to be contributed by member states will fight the M23 rebel group, which has destabilized eastern Congo for years. The head of states also agreed that the regional forces should be under the command of the military and administrative forces of the DRC. Minister Makuei said it is important that the country fulfills its regional obligation by taking part in the DRC operation. You know very well in the last East African Community Conference, it was decided that members of the bloc should deploy forces in Congo. We were given a battalion, and our battalion is 750. These 750 are now undergoing training.